Hey guys, thought I'd take a minute to share with you this product here that I recently purchased. It's this grease gun holder from a company called Koova. I found these online on Amazon. I paid about $35 a piece after a coupon, but a really smart, simple design, something I'd been looking for some time to actually store my grease guns up out of the way and deal with that issue of leaking grease that comes out of both the coupler side as well as the cartridge side here itself. So these holders, fairly good quality. You're looking at relatively thick steel, powder coated finish, good durability. Each of these cups, it's a plastic cup, but it can be removed for cleaning. The side here with the cartridge has a metal insert at the bottom which acts as a stop so the grease gun itself doesn't fall completely through the holder. Where the hose comes through, or where the hose is stored, there are 3 notches based on hose size to properly direct the hose down into the cup. In my particular case, these grease guns have an 18-inch hose. The hose just comes right through the side here and clips in to point the coupler right down into the collection cup. Now, as far as hardware is concerned, each one comes with a little hardware bag. In my particular case, I just went with some masonry fasteners that I had on hand. But, it's one thing you see, for example, that you wouldn't normally see. They include these little plastic caps to cover the screw head to provide a nice clean finish. So, little things like that speak to the quality of the unit. Not wasting any space. They added an additional cutout here. It's a slightly smaller circle to store an extra grease gun cartridge. So really smart design, really happy with these. Certainly something I'd been looking for. Maybe they've been out for a while, I don't know, but just really recently saw them, picked them up, and have been real happy with them. All right, guys, thanks for watching.